Hi guys, I'm actually going to make my hair. I don't know, nobody told me that the sun here is actually top notch because I just finished taking my bath. You take your bath in hopes that when you come out you'll be feeling cool and refreshed. It's a lie, yo. That is when the heat actually starts coming up. Anyways, I was supposed to carry an umbrella, but because I was already wearing a bucket hat, I felt like it would be double work for me to just carry an umbrella. But now I want to go to an hairdresser's place. I want to loosen my hair. It's been up for like a week, and because of the heat, he's making the hair smell. So when I pass, like when I finish taking my bath, even though I am fresh, my hair is giving this stinking smell. So I feel like I should just go and loosen the hair there and then have it washed and dry, and then maybe just cornrow the hair or something. So that's what I'm about to go do now. Hope you guys are fine. See you guys when we get there. Hi guys, so I actually forgot that I didn't talk to you guys after I finished from the salon yesterday. Everywhere is dark, the weather is kind of cloudy, but I made the hair yesterday and this is how it's looking. It came out well. Today is a new day. I'm going to work. Am I supposed to stay like this? I'm going to work. I'm on afternoon shift and I'm just leaving now. So see you guys when I get to work, or see you guys when I come back. I don't know. Bye.
Falling short, diving deep. Where is the water taking me? Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come crashing in. Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. I feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Feed me those signs, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right. See the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call. Locked in the room and so it don't. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. I feel it in your eyes when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal, so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'll fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'll fly away, but I'll keep on flying. She said I'd fly anyway.
So guys, today is a rainy day, but then we have to go to work. Look at my
Hello everybody. I'm going to work. I'm on the bed over the duvet. Just to
Doing
save
what?
humanity. I don't know.
I like the fact that you don't want to disgrace yourself. That's nice, that's nice. So come with us to work.
Very stressful day.
Where are you? Oh,
Yeah.
God, look at us.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'll fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away, but I'll keep on flying. She said I'd fly anyway, but I'll keep on flying. I'll keep on flying. We're all searching for that open door. Show me proof that there is something